Welcome back to Sa Skincare channel. Please, if you are stopping by, why don't you click on the red subscription button below. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to make a Promixing face cream. This face cream is very good because I'm using Stay Young. This face cream can cure all your dark spots and also your acne. It is very good. So I'm going to premix this face cream using Stay Young, and I'll be also using my Miracle Derm. I'll also use my anti-pimples cream. I'll also use my alpha arbutin collagen serum. I'll also take in my body repair oil, treatment oil. This body repair treatment oil will treat out all your sunburn, your acne, or the dark spots and the pimples. So I will scoop 1 tablespoon of my Stay Young into my bowl, and I'll add in my Miracle Derm. I'll also scoop out 1 tablespoon of it and add to my Stay Young into the bowl. Then I'll also add in my anti-pimples cream. This anti-pimples cream is very good for pimples. So it has left it a little, so I'll add all the little. So I'll add it, and also I'm going to add in my alpha arbutin collagen. I'm adding in 5 drops of my alpha arbutin collagen. It's very good because it will clear all the redness and also the sunburn. Is very good. I'm also going to add in my body repair treatment oil. This body repair treatment oil is very good for sunburn, pimples, eczema, knuckles, and also a lot. So I'm going to add in 5 ml of it. Guys, please subscribe to my channel so that you'll be updated to all my videos. So I've added in the 5 ml of it. So right now I'm going to mix it or stir it very well for all the ingredients to be combined. Guys, we are still moving the family together by subscribing and also liking, sharing, and commenting. So please don't forget to comment on my video. Yes, after stirring it for 5 minutes, then you scoop out all your face cream into your bowl. Please guys, use it at night. It is very nice at night. I normally use my face cream at night. I use oil on my face in the morning, and I use my face cream at night. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Guys, please like, share, and comment. I like to read your comment. God loves you.